See, your girl don't know how to act when she got inches, okay? Okay. Do not know how to act. I'm like, okay, okay. Locks where? Locks where? Where do you see locks? Nowhere.
Hey, I'ma bounce my ass on this shit. I ain't Trina, but I'm still the baddest fucking bitch. Little booties matter, but my cat the fattest. Thick thighs, cause I eat my rice and cabbage. Hey.
What's going on, y'all? This is Amber coming back to you guys with another video. This video is gonna be a little different. So as you guys know, I do have starter locks. I am 7 months locked. So I'm going on vacation. I just turned 7 months being locked. And I'm going on an anniversary trip with my line sisters. I'm a Delta. Oh, okay. Let's bring it back. Bring it back.
Bring it back.
I'm going on a trip with my line sisters to Mexico. We're gonna be there for 5 days. Like, bitch, you got money. You finna be at Los Cabos for 5 days. And, you know, we're gonna be swimming, going on yachts, you know, doing all type of crazy stuff. And I did not want to get the ocean water in my locks, or, you know, I don't want my retwists to just look crazy if I go swimming and then I come out the water and my hair look crazy. And I really did not want to get a style because I personally like when my locks are in my hair. Oh, I still got a bead there. Okay, yeah. Okay, I want to have me some inches. So my stylist is a beast. So let's use this lock as an example. This is starting from the top of the lock. Do not look at my nails. I'm getting them done for my trip next week, okay? I just had to hold out for that budget. But as you look at the braid, you can't even see the lock. My hair is a little bit lighter than the hair. This is like the closest hair, number 4, to my hair texture, because I have like a sandy brown hair. And it's not really like too many sandy brown weaves. So, and I didn't want to get like super brown because I wanted black, or I wanted dark hair. So as you look at these locks, and that's, y'all know what that is right there, is from my lock. But you can't even see the locks. Like, she did such an amazing job. So she used the feed-in method with my hair, where she braided it and fed in my lock. Now, I'm not no braider, so I don't really understand like the actual, you know, physical component to that. But I recorded her talking about that, so she'll be able to explain it to y'all in a second.
You see the lock? No, you don't. Oh wait, was you talking? Oh, you were talking joke about? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, it's not gonna be anything.
And she just added these little curls in to give it some flair or whatever. But she added those in to give it a little flair. I just wanted to come up close so I can show you guys. And I'm like so in love with these like box braids. Like, I have length. Like, I'm able to swing my hair a little bit, and it adds a little bit to my personality. Like, I personally can't wait till my locks get this long so I can just wear them like this without any extensions. But I personally love them. So she charged me like $160 to do this, but it included the hair. She used some pre-stretched hair. I'll link it down below to do these, and I think she used about 5 packs of hair. Yeah.
This shit is heavy as fuck, okay?
It's not heavy, but it's just like, I guess because I went 7 months with starter locks, like with no weaves and no nothing, that I haven't been used to weight being back on my head. So that's pretty much it. This is my braids over locks. This can be done if you find the correct stylist, or you can probably do it yourself if you know how to braid and you have locks or whatever. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video, braids over short locks. I have more videos that will be coming to you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. And comment down below if you have starter locks and you're thinking about getting braids, or you have starter locks and you have gotten braids over locks. And tag me in them. Follow me on Instagram at QueenMDavi on Instagram, Twitter. Facebook is, I don't really use Facebook, y'all. Facebook is for like my family and shit. But like, follow me on Instagram. Very active on Instagram at Queen. Follow me on Instagram at QueenMDavi. And subscribe to my channel. More videos like this will be coming soon. I'm going to be posting every week. I think I'm going to cut out these little curly pieces because they were cute on the first day. But I think because I done got in the shower and got it wet, it's just not like doing right. I'm definitely going to be posting a whole bunch of pictures from me in Mexico with my braids, with different ways that I've styled it. And I'll do an update video when I take my locks out because I'm definitely going to be doing this again until my locks get long enough for me to just swang it. But follow me, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
Then I clap on it. Brought it closer, had to let them come and tap on it. Climb to the top, bitch, I climb max on it. When that shit had to do a victory lap on it. Ayy, I'ma bounce my ass on this shit. I ain't Trina, but I'm still the baddest fucking bitch. Little booties matter, but my cat the fattest. Thick thighs, cause I eat my rice and cabbage. Ayy, I'ma bounce my ass on this shit. I ain't Trina, but I'm still the baddest fucking bitch. Little booties matter, but my cat the fattest. Thick thighs, cause I eat my rice and cabbage. I got bars like I'm doing time on right street. Same hoes that love me be the same hoe wanna fight me.